Hey, this is Chucky Channel 012 playing some baseball. Well, not actually baseball, but you know what I mean. Check out the house, man. Check out the house. Alright. Let's see some stuff, right? Let's see some stuff. Let's see some stuff, my dog.
Nick, how'd you get on? You know my password?
No, it was already on, man.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No.
You on Hulu. My dog. It's my dog. My dog. Come on, my dog. See my dog? See my dog? Yeah. Let's go on another tour of my house. Nice living room, huh? Yeah. Hey, it's me. Making some stuff. Not hot yet, nope, not hot. Not really hot yet. You know, I actually thought it was gonna be hot, but it's really not. Ooh, little dog toy right there. Little dog toy. It's really weird. My guinea pig. Well, it's not mine. My sister bought it. Huh. Yeah. Say hi to Coco. Yeah. Yeah, oh, look at Trina. Whoosh. That word. I was hoping against the stairs and like, oh, look at my shoes, my nice shoes, my nice Jordans. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. You know, I looked up your favorite Martian. It's really cool.
Tell me when you're done.
Say hi.
Nick, what do you do?
Ew. Nick, you freaking put a booger on here. You nasty pig. I don't pick my nose.
Yes,
I'm
you
not
do.
stupid. It's probably you.
No, ew, I never picked my nose. It's disgusting.
Yeah, it's
You're done,
disgusting,
Nick.
right?
You're done.
Alright, this is Chucky Channel 012. Subscribe. Bye.